Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Revel nail is probably one of the most sought-after dipping powder systems on the market, offering a salon-quality manicure experience right in the comfort of your own home. And today we're diving deep into the Revel Nail Starter Kit to see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers the flawless, long-lasting results that beauty enthusiasts are raving about. Number 5. SAVILAND Acrylic Nail Kit. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one acrylic nail kit. It's perfect for beginners and includes everything you need to get started right away. Achieve stunning results with our high-quality white, pink, and clear acrylic powders. The accompanying liquid ensures a smooth and durable application every time. Our kit features premium size 8, 10, and 14 Kolinsky brushes. These provide exceptional control for detailed work and flawless sculpting. Effortlessly create beautiful nail extensions using the included forms. They guide your application for a perfect shape and length. Beyond the basics, you'll find all the essential manicure tools for a complete and professional finish. Everything is designed for your convenience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This comprehensive set is an ideal choice for aspiring nail artists or anyone wanting to explore DIY manicures at home. Whether you're practicing at home or working in a salon, this versatile kit is designed to meet your needs. Enjoy professional quality results anywhere. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for acrylic nails. It includes multiple brush sizes for different applications. If you are looking for a complete set for both home DIY and salon use, this is a great option. What people say? The kit comes with everything you need to get started. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The dipping powders are highly pigmented and provide great coverage. Number 4. SAVILAND Clear Dip Powder Set. Introducing the SAVILAND Clear Dip Powder, perfect for achieving a flawless French or natural nail look. Its crystal clear formula provides a beautiful finish every time. This dipping powder not only enhances your nails' appearance but also helps to strengthen them. Enjoy healthier, more resilient nails with regular use. Experience a long-lasting manicure that resists chipping and wear. It's designed for easy application, making it ideal for beginners. Forget about UV or LED lamps. This dip powder set allows you to achieve professional-looking nails right at home, without any special equipment. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned nail enthusiast, this set is incredibly easy to use. Achieve salon-quality results effortlessly. Get plenty of product with this generous 2.1 ounces, 60 g, container. It ensures you have enough for multiple applications and touch-ups. What we like? Achieve a flawless crystal clear finish that also strengthens your natural nails. This dip powder is perfect for creating beautiful French tips or a natural look. If you want a long-lasting manicure without a UV lamp, this is the product for you. What people say? The kit includes everything you need to get started with dip powder nails, including a base coat, activator, top coat, and a brush cleaner. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The dip powder itself is finely milled and applies smoothly, creating a professional-looking finish. Number 3. OHORA Care Easy Peel Remover. Tired of struggling to remove your gel nail strips? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed for a quick and easy experience. Our unique formula is non-drying and nourishing, ensuring your nails stay healthy and hydrated throughout the removal process. The included hygienic dropper allows for precise application, making removal clean and convenient every time. Watch as it swiftly dissolves and lifts gel strips, saving you time and effort without compromising on effectiveness. Feel good about your choice. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Achieve a professional finish in the comfort of your own home. It's the perfect companion for your gel nail routine. What we like? Effortlessly remove semi-cured gel nail strips with this gentle formula. It's designed to be non-drying and nourishing for your nails. If you value a safe, vegan, and cruelty-free removal process, this is the ideal choice. What people say? The lamp is a good size for doing both hands at once. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. The dip powder is easy to apply and looks great. Number 2. SAVILAND HEMA-free Dip Powder Liquid Set. Discover the revolutionary HEMA-free dip powder liquids from SAVILAND. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with this comprehensive kit. This set includes everything you need: base coat, top coat, activator, and brush saver. It's designed for a seamless and long-lasting manicure experience. Our formula is HEMA-free, ensuring a safer and more comfortable application for your nails. Enjoy beautiful results without the worry. Get stunning results with our easy-to-use dip system. Best of all, there's no UV LED curing required, saving you time and effort. Experience a manicure that lasts. These liquids create a durable finish that resists chipping, perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. Transform your nails with professional quality results from the comfort of your home. This kit empowers you to create beautiful manicures anytime. What we like? Experience a dip powder liquid set that is HEMA-free, making it a safer choice for sensitive individuals. This set includes all the essential liquids for a professional dip manicure. If you're seeking long-lasting, salon-quality results at home and prioritize a HEMA-free formula, this is the one to get. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started with dip powder nails, including a base coat, activator, top coat, and brush cleaner. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The colors are vibrant and long-lasting, and the finish is smooth and professional-looking. Number 1. Revel Nail Starter Dip Powder Kit. Introducing the Revel Nail Starter Dip Powder Kit. Achieve salon-quality manicures from the comfort of your home with this comprehensive set. Explore a stunning spectrum of 12 vibrant colors to match any mood or occasion. Express your unique style with endless possibilities. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a flawless dip powder manicure. It includes both the powders and the essential liquids. Designed for ease of use, you can achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. Perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Enjoy durable and long-lasting nails that resist chipping and fading. Get a beautiful finish that stays put for weeks. Transform your nails with this starter kit. It's your personal at-home salon, offering convenience and professional quality. What we like? Explore a wide range of 12 vibrant colors with this complete dip powder kit. It offers a full manicure set for creating stunning looks. If you love having a variety of color options and prefer the dip powder system for your manicures, this starter kit is perfect for you. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started with dip powder nails. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The colors are vibrant and long-lasting, providing a beautiful finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.